Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So today we are going to talk about density plots. So those plots are useful in cases when you have two values but a huge number of observations. And what they are for? To present value concentration. And what I mean by that? For the purpose of this tutorial we need a huge amount of values. So I am going to create one data frame. Let's say D1. With two columns, and with our norm function I am going to create multiple values, 5,000 of them. Let's say a mean is going to be 5 and standard deviation 2.9, and with y we are going to have our norm 2, also 5,000 values. Let's say 8 is going to be mean and 5 is going to be our standard deviation. So I'm going to copy this row twice, and let's change values a little bit. So name D2 and D3, 5,000 each, that's fine, but now I'm going to say 10 and 15. And now 5.9 and let's say 9. That's cool. Now 5 and 7 and let's say 3 and 11. And now I'm going to bind these rows with data R bind D1, D2 and D3, and now I'm going to use data as our data source, and with aesthetics I'm going to provide x is going to be equals to x, y is going to be y, and first way that we are going to present density is with GEOM point, like this. Save it, run it. Purpose of density plots is to show us where our values are actually the mostly concentrated. And now you see that our values in this plot are mostly concentrated on this part. But as you see with GEOM point, this density plot it's a little bit ugly. I'm going to show you how to do that in more efficient way. Instead of GEOM point, we are actually going to use GEOM density 2D, run it. But keep in mind, we are actually representing the exact same data. And what else we can do? Let's say with GEOM BIN2D, run it. This is even better than previous case. And let me show you what else we can do with stat density. So we are going to use stat density 2D, but we are going to provide some aesthetics, and we are going to do fill by level, and we are going to say GEOM is going to be polygon. Okay, save this, run it. But now I'm going to add one more parameter, color. Let's say red. Save it, run it. And now not only that we have this filling color, we have both bordering color. And check this out. Instead of level, I'm going to use now density. GEOM is going to be raster, like this, and we are going to use another argument, contour, false. Save it, run it. This is yet another way, but now let me show you another thing. I'm going to use function scale fill gradient, and let's say low color it's going to be, let's create some custom colors now. Okay, and high color is going to be, okay, like this. Run it. This could actually be a really nice way if you want to present some solar radiation or something. So guys, this is all for this episode. I truly hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya.